Hello everyone, I'm welcome to yet another exciting video about TVC. Today I'll be talking about the Bitcoin bounty and it's my testimony, okay, on the Bitcoin bounty. And I just earned another $8, which is two paid referrals, okay. Two of my referrals paid the admin fee and I got paid $8. Okay, now you guys have heard the testimony. I have heard similar testimony before that I did, and this is another new one. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. But most importantly, the purpose of doing this video, apart from sharing my testimony, is also to show you guys a new feature that the TBC added to the Bitcoin bounty. Okay, sort of a way to make me, to remind me to renew, okay, to use my earnings to pay for my Kringle.cash back office. All right, so let me go straight to it. So I'll head straight to my Kringle.cash account. I want to log in and I'll show you guys my Bitcoin bounty earning and the new future. All right, so I'm fully logged in. Okay, so I hope most of you guys can hear my English because somebody gave me a comment that I should, kind of maybe speak out very well. Okay, so I want to say thank you to the person that gave me that feedback. I read the comment section and I appreciate feedbacks. Okay, even if it's a constructive negative one that will help move TBC forward, I accept that. But what I don't accept is pure negativity and calling TBC scam. That's what I don't accept, and that's what I don't tolerate. Okay, tolerate on my YouTube channel. Okay, so having cleared that, let me just go straight to the Bitcoin bounty section. For most of you, okay, for those of you guys who have upgraded or new members, you should be able to, and you're already a full timer with two referrals and one, been to send button meetings, you should have the ability to get upgraded to the Bitcoin bounty in your account session. Okay, so here's my Bitcoin bounty. So let me go to the details. Okay, to the details. All right. So these referrals were today. Um, I practically helped them pay the admin fee. See, there's a challenge with people paying the admin fee that most people don't realize, and most people don't go the extra mile to help those who they refer or those who they want to introduce to TBC. Okay, we think everybody knows about cryptocurrency, everybody knows about Bitcoin, but that's not the truth. In some countries, it's difficult for them to be able to buy Bitcoin with their hard-earned money, with their fiat currency. Okay, so anybody who you're trying to refer that has that challenge, you should find a way to solve that for that person. Okay, and that's why I do for majority of people. Like I said, done helped. I've lost count of the number of people I've practically helped use my own wallet, whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum, to pay the admin fee. Okay, and it doesn't take much for you to do that if you have the access. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So for these two people, I wouldn't have earned this reward if I didn't help them, if I didn't go the extra mile to make sure that I have a way of helping people pay the admin fee. And that has given me this opportunity to encourage them that, hey, because I know a lot of people who I referred with my referral link, okay, and I know a lot of them don't know how to pay, don't have access to Bitcoin, don't even have access to exchanges that can use and buy Bitcoin. Okay, so what do? You get them to utilize you if you have access, if you have the ability, if you're verified on the platform you're using to be able to help them. All right, so I help these two gentlemen, and I think this is lady, or okay, and I was rewarded by the TBC admin with this bounty reward. And by the way, I paid with Ethereum. So this is proof that even if you pay with Ethereum, you will still get 50% commission from the TBC admin. So I paid with Ethereum, much cheaper, and converts faster, very much faster than Bitcoin in terms of confirmations. Now, having said this, now you guys can see my earnings, okay? But there's this feature. You see this reading button right here. This my subscription, my upgrade, okay, to this new subscription expires on 1st June. Okay? Expires on 1st June 2019. Okay? So the TBC admin has put this button as something that will enable us be able to renew automatically without having to dip hand into our cash. You get what I'm saying? So instead of you going to your bank account and using, or into the bitcoins you have saved or Ethereum you have saved, and going to use it to, carry out the transaction of paying their monthly fee, the best thing you can do, guess what, is to redeem the bounty for your Kringle.cash office monthly payment. Okay. Now, for the sake of for the sake of educating you guys and show you guys how it works, okay, I'm going to sacrifice this earning because I still have like 8 days to 1st June, and I know for sure that I can definitely pay not from my own money alone, but from the earnings, okay, because I have a strategy that I'm using, okay, when it comes to the Bitcoin bounty. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use my earnings, sacrifice it to teach you guys about this redeem bounty for Kringle.cash back office monthly payment. Okay, so I'm going to click the button and let's see what happens. So current month available is 1. Select number of months you would like to be credited. Now this is very interesting. This shows that the TBC admin put a lot of thought into creating this automatic payment of your next month using your earnings. So as you can see, the reason I'm having current months available 1 is because what I have sitting right now as my bounty bonus is 1 month's payment. 1 month payment. Okay, because 1 month payment is 8 grains of gold. Okay, and I just got paid 4 grains of gold, 4 grains of gold because of the two referrals. So that makes it a total of 8. So I have available the complete payment for next month's Kringle.cash back office access. So since that is what is available, I just have to click select one, and I select one because one is available. Now I'll zoom in. I earned more than one. Let's say I earned 16 grains of gold in bounties, okay? Because what you get is 50%. So if you refer somebody, the person pays 8 grains of gold, you get 4 grains of gold as commission, which is paid in Bitcoin. So when you have 4 referrals, paid referrals, that means what you have is 4 times 4, which is 16. So if I had 16 as my balance, okay, as my earnings that I can withdraw to my bank account, to my Bitcoin account, okay, what I could simply do, what I will see here is probably the current most available is 2, meaning I choose to pay 1, I choose to pay 2. If I choose to pay 1, that means I will have remaining in my Bitcoin bounty 8 grains of gold that I can withdraw. I hope this is clear, but if it's not clear, comment in the section below. Okay, drop your comment in the section below, and I will respond to your questions. Or you can WhatsApp me, you can call me, you can chat me, you can even email me. Okay, and I will respond to your question. But let me just move forward from here. Okay, let me not dwell so much. But I hope you guys are understanding visually what you're seeing right here. So when you now click the redeem bounty button, let's see what happens. Another thoughtfulness by the TBC admin, because he would have just gone straight and used his power as a TBC admin to just say, no need to ask you, are you sure? And just do the thing, because mostly it's going to be in his favor because he needs the fund to maintain the platform, stuff like that. So, but he's still asking me, are you sure? Once this is done, it cannot be undone. Check to make sure you have selected the amount of months you wish to extend carefully. Now, a lot of thought is put into creating this new feature. So I have only 8 Kringles. So what could go wrong? So I have only 8 grains of gold. So what could go wrong? So and I chose 1 month. So I'll just click OK. It's saying processing. What happens after processing? Okay, still waiting. Anyway, it's saying processing. I don't know whether I should wait or I should leave. Okay, you see, automatically, man, a lot of energy, a lot of thoughtfulness was put into this. So to avoid you messing around with trying to cancel, everything's automatic. So what you do is the moment you click you that you are sure, you just have to exercise patience and wait for it to process. Now you have to make sure you have good network service at that point, because you don't want anything messing around. So you can see it move from processing to say that Bitcoin has been redeemed and automatically bringing me back to my Bitcoin bounty dashboard. Okay, as you can see, it says you have no available eligible referral at this time. Of course, because the ones I have been converted to pay for my next month's Kringle.cash back office. And as you can see right here, today's date is what? 23rd. As you can see right here, 23rd, referral count 2. That means 2 referrals. And you can see the payment address that the TBC have been paid to. Okay, this is not the pay to, so this is admin's payment address. Okay, now there's no transaction ID, but as you can see, why? Why is there no transaction ID? Okay, and why is the bounty due 0, bounty paid 0? Because it was converted to Kringle.cash back office credit. Okay, it was converted to Kringle.cash back office credit. So before I close this video, I'll still go to my account section to actually see if my expiry date has extended. Okay, so as you can see, these are my earnings. So these are the 2 accounts I got paid for. Now, for to show, let's go and see, because this is the first time I'm doing this. So you guys just stick around with me and let's see what happens from here. So I have to go to my account section again. So the reason I'm going back to the dashboard, to the main dashboard, is to enable the system refresh very well. Okay, so if there's anything that's meant to happen, maybe it has already happened. So let me go again. Account, your account. Crossing my finger, hoping that everything is automated. Voila! As you can see, my Kringle card expiration has been moved to 1st July 2019 instead of being 1st June 2019. So guys, as you can see, last payment type bounty. Now, normally you see payment type, you either see Ethereum or Bitcoin or Litecoin. But right here, you can see that bounty. So meaning that the Kringle Cash back office credit was used, that my earning was converted to Kringle Cash back office credit and was used for the payment of my next month's Kringle Cash back office. Woo-hoo! I'm really excited, man. I'm really see when you see progress, when you see things happening, and every day with all the fake news out there trying to dissuade you from TBC, but you're actually seeing progress in whatever we are doing. You're actually seeing progress. You're actually seeing improvement on a daily basis. You're actually seeing things that shows you that work is being done to make sure that we have the best. The only thing we just have to do is just keep promoting TBC. Okay? And for the likes of me, if you're like me that likes supporting a community that you're part of, you keep on doing what you're doing, whether it's through educative video, whether it's through offering goods and services for TBC, whatever it is you're doing that is moving TBC forward, keep doing it. Because why? Because the TBC admin is taking care of us in the back end, making sure the technology is good, making sure the blockchain is good, making sure the future and the time frame that we set for ourselves is good, and coming up with programs that will motivate members to get going. And as you can see, with the Bitcoin bounty, with the Bitcoin contest, me and you can testify that the number of people we have as paid members of TBC is gradually going up on a daily basis. Okay, and as you can see right now, we're about to enter 3,331. That's 3,332. That's where we're about to enter anytime soon. So the number of people who influence this growth is those who are paid members. So, guys, whatever it is you want to do, whether it's to post on social media, go ahead and post it. Whether it's to do video, go ahead and do it. Whether it's to do podcast, Instagram, whatever it is you want to do it. If you have testimony, whether it's your Bitcoin bounty, whether it's you selling TBC, whether it's you uh, buying things with your TBC, always leave a testimony, whether it's audio, text, or voice. Audio, text, or video, whichever one you wish to do it. We need to let people know that TBC is moving forward. Because when people call me and ask me, I let them know that hey, you can spend your TBC. I myself also have my own store, my own stores where I accept TBC, and with more progress coming up. So guys, I'm really excited. Okay, I'm really, really super excited. So that's it for this video. If you don't have the Billion Coin app, go get it right away. Go get it right away. Okay. So to see you guys next time. Take care. Bye for now.